Alam mo bang pwede ka na palang muha ng bread in just 30 minutes? Hindi mo na rin kailangan magmasa at intayin mag-double ang size. Let's make Brazilian cheese bread. Madali lang to, kaya simulan na agad natin. In a mixing bowl, maglalagay tayo ng 1 piece of egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and a 1/2 cup of fresh milk or evaporated milk. And maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup of tapioca flour or cassava flour. Then maglalagay rin tayo ng 1 cup of grated cheese. Then using hand mixer, imimix lang nating mabuti ang ating mixture. Then, kapag smooth na ang ating mixture, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating pan. Then, i-grease nyo lang muna yung ating pan bago nyo ilagay yung mixture. There, we're going to bake it in a preheated oven 190 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes until the top is light golden brown. And this is it, our Brazilian cheese bread. No need for kneading and propping. Sobrang dali niya lang din gawin, kaya i-try mo na din. And let's try our cheese bread. And guys, yung lasa niya pala ay hindi siya yung pangkaraniwan na bread kasi mas chewy itong bread na to. So like para kang kumakain ng mochi. But still, it's tasty. Kaya try this Brazilian cheese bread, sigurado magugustuhan niyo din. Bilang po for today's video, maraming salamat po. Bye!